Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I'm going to be doing a ribbon pour on a 11 by 14 canvas. I've already painted it with a base coat of black, and I'm going to be using some bright, cheery pastel colors. I've never used these before. They're from Master's Touch and Pebeo Studio Acrylics. The color names will be listed in the video description box. So let's get started making our cup. Love these colors. They're beautiful and bright and cheery. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do after I do the pour. I might do some swirls. I might do a balloon smash. I'm not really sure what I want to do right now. I don't have any silicone in this cup. I'm not really trying to go for cells today. And I'm going to put spritz of black down through the middle. And I'm going to give it a quick little stir. Definitely loving those colors. Beautiful. I'm going to torch it to get the air bubbles out. So let's tilt this a little bit. It doesn't necessarily have to cover the entire canvas because I do like a little bit of negative space. I'm going to do some swirls. I'm using the back of a paintbrush handle to do the swirls because it's nice and rounded and smooth, and it glides on the canvas better than a skewer. Should I try a balloon smash in here too? What do you guys think? I think I might try one in a minute. Can't hurt to try. Okay, let's try a balloon smash. Not really too crazy about that. Let me try one over here. Nope, I'm not really liking that at all. I think having black on the bottom does not make a good result for a balloon smash. Let's just twirl it away. If I had had white on the bottom, I might have gotten something pretty, but the black, no. Add a little bit of yellow into here just because it's awfully dark. This definitely needs some more color here where it's all blue. This is very relaxing for me. Yeah, I'm liking that. If you try this, don't be afraid to experiment, add colors. Try that one over here too. Really loving this now. I feel like I need a little bit more yellow here where I had tried the balloon smash and brought a lot of black up. I'm gonna stop right there. I'm really liking it. I'm loving these colors. Really looks good with the black background. So I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. I put a video out every Monday, and I try to get one out sometime during the week when I have time. Don't forget to stay for close-ups. I'll see you next time. Bye.